how to delete business page on Facebook. So what you can do is you can head over right here to your three lines and then switch to the profile that you have on your business. Once you have done that, this will switch the profile for your page. Now what you can do next is you can click right here again to your three lines and then click on right here to your gear icon. From in there, scroll down until you can see access and control, which is under your information. Click on this access and control right here and then click on this deactivation and deletion that will appear on this page. If they have trouble loading, you can just refresh it to your liking until it actually shows. So for this case, let me head over and then do this on the other profile that I have right there. So let me switch right here. And then let's go to your three lines and then to the settings again. And until we see this access and control. And then click on the activation and deletion. And then click on this delete page. Click on continue. And then click on continue in here as well. And then scroll down and click on continue again. And then from in there, just enter your password in order to successfully delete your business page. So that's how you delete business page on Facebook. Hope we helped.